How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be going over a problem called twosum. And twosum is a question that's asked by a lot of companies. Google, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Airbnb, Bloomberg, Uber, LinkedIn, and the list goes on and on. There's a ton of companies out of this question. Very good to know. Pretty simple. It seems a little tricky, not too bad once you kind of get down to it. So here's the problem description. Given an array of integers, return indices of the two numbers such that they add to a specific target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. So as an example, if we're given these numbers and the target's 9, we return num0 and nums1 because 2 plus 7, so the 0th index and the first index added together equal 9, so we return an array containing 0 and 1. So if we jump down to actually start formulating a solution now, all we had to do is realize that we need to look at our target, go through all the numbers, look at our target, subtract the value of the number that we're at from the target, and if that already exists in our hash map, then we have the number. Otherwise, we're going to store the number that we have. And so hopefully if we see it in the future, then we'll also have the answer. So I always like to make the thing that we're going to return first. So we'll make an integer array called result, and we'll make it contain two things, right? Because we have to return the two indices. And so now we'll make our hash map, because we love hash maps. Almost every problem deals with them. They're super useful. We'll call it map equals new hash map integer. Oops. Cool. And now, like we said, we just had to go through all the numbers. For in I equals 0, while I is less than nums.length I plus plus. Now we want to do our calculation, right? So it's really the difference, right? So if the number we're at subtracted from the target that we're looking for is in the hash map, so we'll make it a variable, call it difference, set it equal to, like we just said, the target minus the number that we're on. So now we have done that calculation. We just have to check if our map contains it. So if map.contains key difference, awesome. We actually have an answer now. So we could just put in the 0th index, I, because that's the first index. And otherwise, we want to say result of 1 equals map.get difference, which we still need to put into our map. And then we just need to return result. And so if the map is not, or sorry, the difference is not in our map, this is where we're going to place it in here. So we won't even use an else clause. We'll just say map.put the number that we're on with the index that we're on. And so now once this loop finishes, all we should have to do is return result. Let's check that out. Awesome, that works. So let's check out the details. And we passed 29 out of 29 test cases. We're in the 99th percentile, which is awesome. So guys, that's how you solve twosum in Java. Again, super common interview question. Make sure you guys can do this. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a thumbs up on this video. Be sure to subscribe for any videos that are yet to come. I hope you guys kill your interviews, and I'll see you guys next time.